Okay, so I have this, by our barn we found this pot that was left here. It's really heavy. We don't know if it's, I kind of think maybe it's marble, but not quite sure. And this is what we found. It's really heavy. Thought maybe I could do something with that. It's really heavy, so we're gonna try to get it on the Dolly and move it up to the house. It's got a lot of cleanup. Okay. Okay, that was tackling. I need your help to pull this. It's heavy. Okay, it's got a little notch out of there, but got some cleanup to do on it. Figure out something to do with it. Pretty dirty. Looks like somebody got it for like Christmas or something. Okay. Make it pretty. I used the Dawn Power Wash spray and the pressure washer. I took a scrubber brush to it as well. Got it as clean as I could. I decided to turn it into a multi-purpose table on wheels. So the plan is table with storage on wheels, and the top can be used as a tray. First DIY planter dolly, or in this case, table dolly. I measured the bottom of the pot. Took this 5/8 thick scrap plywood. Used this technique to get the correct diameter and marked it. I put the nail at the half mark of the diameter I needed. The twine tied to the pencil and nail measures to 5 inches, so it'll be a 10-inch circle. I used the jigsaw to cut them out. I wanted 2 circle cuts to sandwich them together to make a thicker dolly. then clamped them and used deck screws to screw them together. I made sure to sand the edges. Used flat black exterior spray paint and painted it. Bought these heavy-duty swivel caster wheels from Amazon. The link is in the description. I attached the wheels to the platform I made. Please remember to like and subscribe. Now I have a planter dolly. I needed the muscle to lift the pot on the dolly. I don't need help to move it now. Second DIY, top or lid that can be utilized as a tray as well. The outer rim of the pot measures to 15 inches. Marked the 15 inches on this 1x6 cedar toned board that I grabbed from my scrap pile. I cut 3 15-inch boards. The inner measures to 10.5 inches. I had these 9-inch cedar tone pieces left over from the footstool DIY project. I rip cut one of them in half. Then put it together. Used 1 1/4 inch deck screws to do that. I want the lid tray to be round like the pot. So trace the top of the pot. And use the jigsaw to cut it. I made sure to clamp it down. Stained it with dark walnut varathane gel stain. Test fitting it. Looks like it fits. Need handles to complete the tray. I ordered these from Amazon. Link is in the description. Attach the handles. there you have it. Okay, one more thing for the pot. The inside of it, I could only get it so clean, and I just felt like it needed something else. So burlap it is. I already had it, so why not? Could always use storage. Turning trash into treasure is giving discarded items new, more valuable life through creative reuse. I think I conquered that with this project. This pot was thrown in the weeds and sat there for who knows how long, all sad and dirty. Now it has purpose again. Marble multi-purpose table on wheels, has storage, and use the tabletop as a tray. Beautiful and purposeful. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I love my dragonfly lantern on the table at night. So pretty.